So you're gonna write a video script. Yay! Maybe you're even going to enlist AI. Double yay. That is a smart move. But now it sounds like a LinkedIn post that went to film school and nobody stopped it. Every word technically correct, but none of it sounds like you. And you already know that you're gonna hit record and people are gonna be gone in a couple seconds. I have been there. I have watched a lot of people do that. Here's what's actually wrong and how to fix it. The real problem, we were taught to write to be read. No one ever taught us to write to be said. So we write in full sentences with proper structure, and then we open our mouths and it comes out like we swallowed a textbook and it's trying to escape. Help me! And AI makes it worse because AI was trained on the internet, and the internet writes to be read. You asked ChatGPT for a video script and it gives you an introduction, a furthermore, an in conclusion, transition sentences your mouth has never said in casual conversation, ever. It's not AI's fault. You just gave it the wrong job. Before you open a doc, before you touch a keyboard, before you even open ChatGPT, answer these 3 questions out loud, not in your head, out loud, because video is a spoken medium and your brain needs to hear it before your mouth has to say it. So the first thing is, what is this video about in 1 sentence? If you need more than 1 sentence, you're not ready to script yet. Go think, come back. Then 2, who is this for? And I don't mean entrepreneurs. I mean everyone. If you're speaking to everyone, you're speaking to no one. So I need you to figure out the single person that you're talking to. And number 3, what do you want them to do or feel when it's over? Not something vague like, I want them to learn something. How do you actually want them to feel? What do you want them to go try and do? Now you can write. And if you can't, keep going back to step 1, then step 2, because you need clarity first, your words second, always. Now here's where most people blow it, including the ones using AI. They either write every single word out and read it back like they've never met a sentence before in their entire life, or they paste a topic into ChatGPT, copy whatever comes out, and wonder why they sound like a corporate training video from 2011. Neither works. What works is an outline script. And if you're using AI, and you should be, here's how to actually use it without losing your entire personality in the process. Step 1, feed it your voice first, not a topic, your voice. Take 3 things you've actually said out loud, a voice memo, a Loom transcript, a text you sent explaining something to a client. Copy and paste all 3 into your AI prompt and say, this is how I actually talk. This is my sentence length. These are my words. Match this when you write for me. Don't make me sound smarter than this. Do not make me sound more formal than this. That 1 step alone will change everything that comes out on the other side. I tell my AI to include my Jersey snark, and it does every time. Then you need to give it your 3 framework answers in your own words, the way you just said them out loud, and ask it to build bullet points around those answers. So not a full script, bullet points. Then say, write this to be said out loud, not read. I want short sentences, contractions, real language. Do not use the words furthermore. Please don't use in conclusion. I don't want any transition sentences that have never come out of a human mouth ever. So if any sentence is over 15 words long, flag it for a rewrite. So the third thing I want you to do is I want you to write the first line and the last line. Let AI help with the middle, because the first line and the last line are yours, and that's what people remember. That's your voice, that's your promise, and your payoff. AI doesn't know what either of those things feel like yet, so you need to train it. Now here's the part that gets people every time. There is one specific moment in every video where you lose your audience. Not at the beginning and not at the end. Right in the middle. When you think you're doing great, when you think you're really cooking, and if you used AI to write your script, this moment is even more dangerous because AI doesn't know when to stop either. Every video has a middle sag, every single one, including mine. It's the moment your energy drops, your pacing goes soft, the viewer's thumb starts shopping around and scrolling. It happens because you've already made your point. You just don't know you're done. So you keep going. So one more example, one more restatement, one more thing AI added because it thought the script needed it. It doesn't, it didn't, it never does. The fix is brutal and simple. At the 2/3 mark of your video, ask yourself one question. Have I already made this point? If yes, you're done. Close strong, get out. And if you're using AI, add this to your prompt. Tell it, after the 3rd point, flag where the script should end. Do not add a summary. Do not restate what was already said. End it. It always wants to add a summary. Tell it not to every time. It's annoying. Now, if this video helped, subscribe. And then I want you to go watch the next video right there where I talk about how to set up your phone so your videos don't look like you filmed them in a parking garage at midnight. You're welcome. We're going to talk about lighting, framing, sound, the bare bones basics, all of it. Now, I don't want to be a bully. You go watch whatever you want, but that's what's going to go autoplay on my channel next. Remember, write the first line, write the last line. No, I'm just kidding. We're not doing a summary. I'll see you next time.